Hey guys, today we're going to work on solving systems of equations with three variables using Cramers rule. So if you did not like the addition method or substitution, here's your option to do with Cramers rule. Usually if people struggle with math, this is the method they choose because it's a set formula and you don't really have to think about what you're doing so much. You just have to be careful not to make a math mistake. Usually all the variables divide nicely, so that's another good perk of doing this method. It's easy to troubleshoot where your problem is. So just like when we were doing 2 by 2, we're going to set these up in their columns. So the first is x, then y, then z. So I just take the coefficients of x, y, and z, and I put them in. For d of x, it goes answers y, z. For d of y, it goes x, answers z. And then for d of z, x, y, answers. So whatever the variable is here, that's where the answers go. Sorry. So we have x is d of x divided by d, y is d of y divided by d, and z is d of z divided by d. So let's try solving them. So the first thing I'm going to do, so unfortunately you have to do 4 3 by 3 determinants to make this work. So d is going to be the coefficients of x, y, and z. 3, 1, 2, negative 1, 4, 2, 1, negative 2, negative 1. D of x, I'm going to set them all up and then I'll find the values of each. D of x is answers. Then your y's, then your z's. So negative 1, 4, 2, 1, negative 2, negative 1. D of y is 3, 1, 2. X's, answers, 11, negative 12, negative 3. And then your z values, 1, negative 2, negative 1. And then d of z is your x column, 3, 1, 2, negative 1, 4, 2, and 1, negative 2, negative 1. All right, now we're ready to solve them. So D is 3, 4, 2, negative 2, negative 1. As you get good at this, you don't really have to show all of these steps, but I like to show them so that you can find any mistakes if you have them. So 3 times negative 4 plus 4 plus 1 times negative 1 plus 4 plus 1 times 2 minus 8. So for my first one, I have 3 times 0 plus 1 times 3 plus 1 times negative 6. So for D, I have negative 3. So D is negative 3. It's not really an answer, so D of x. D of x is 11 times 4, 2, negative 1, plus 1. Lots of negatives on that one. So we get 11 times negative 4 plus 4 plus 1 times negative positive 12 minus 6 plus 1 times negative 24 plus 12. 11 times 0 plus 1 times 6 plus 1 times negative 12. Ideally, it's going to be a multiple of 3. 6 minus 12 is negative 6. So d of x equals negative 6. D of y. Minus 11. So if you like one of the other strategies, you might want to use it. If not, this one is good because it always works. It's just doing this pattern, it just is a little tedious. So I have 3 times 6 minus 11 times 3 plus 1 times negative 27, which is 18 minus 33 minus 27. Sorry, it was negative 3 plus 24, making this a 21. I do like working on the surface for this reason. It's easier to fix mistakes. All right, so let's check that math. 18 minus 33 plus 21. I like that. So d of y equals 6. All right, d of z. 3, 4, 2, -2, -1, plus 1, 1, 2, -2, -1, plus 1, 1, 2, 4, 2. All right, last one. -4 plus 4 plus 1 times -1 plus 4 plus 1 times 2 minus 6. 3 times 0 plus 1 times 3 plus 1 times -4. Oh, I set up d of z wrong. I thought that looked too familiar. Did not put the answers in. What a pooper. 11, -12, -3. Reverse. Try this all over again. Sorry. All right. So 3 times -12 plus 24 plus 1 times -3 plus 24 plus 11 times 2 minus 8. So if you want to shortcut it, you can. 3 times 12 plus 1 times 21 plus 11 times -6. So I have 36 plus 21 minus 66 is -9. d of z equals -9. X equals d of x divided by d. So I have 2. dy equals d of y divided by d. My final answer, I have 2, -2, and 3. If you check, it will work. All right, so you're trying 7 and 8. So for 7, make sure you solve d first. You should get d equals 0, so it's no solution. For 8, I'll give you each of your values so you can try it. D equals 21. My top line, my line before is 10 plus 4 plus 7. D of x equals 9. The line before it is -5 plus 1 plus 13 in case you need to troubleshoot. D of y is -3. 2 plus 4 minus 9 was the line before it. And d of z is -42. -26 minus 9 minus 7 is the previous line. The answers to this one are a little crazy. X is 3/7. Y is -1/7. Z is -2. So these are tedious. I totally agree. but do your best, try them, ask for help if you're confused, and I'll be looking through your notebooks as you work. Good luck.